Now let's look at validating supplier's invoice. The reason we need to validate a supplier's invoice is to ensure that at every end of each transaction, or let's say purchase order between you and the vendor, that the vendor's account is rightfully credited with the right amount for the order that was made. So if we remember earlier, we were able to run some purchase order. Let's verify that by going to check all purchase orders. So down here you could see we have that raised for this. Let's view the details. Zaychem Limited, Ciprotab and Ebola E5. Let's see what we have here. Still Ciprotab and Ebola E5. Let's see what we have down here. Yeah, Panadol and paracetamol. Now all these purchase orders, their supplier invoice has not yet been validated. So if we go down to confirm from the from the vendor's account, let's go to view reports and see our payables, vendors list of creditors, those we need to pay. You see nothing is appearing here because the supplier's invoice has not yet been validated. So we need to validate the supplier invoice to ensure that all information are rightfully captured in our financial statement. So to do that, we go to our main menu where we have this sub menu called validate supplier's invoice. You click on it. When you click on it, it displays the popular dashboard you are aware of, the information side, and the one to your left, the king data field, or should I say form side, but this is for search particularly. So for now we have this pending invoices, supplier invoice to be validated. So let's try and validate both of them and see what happens. So select this and click on the validate invoice. Now you could see the notification here. It's still asking us or prompting for us to validate the invoice, saying the process cannot be reversed. Please ensure that everything is okay. So you check through, and when you show that everything is okay, you click the validate invoice. Now it validates this invoice for us and we are good. So if you go back and you check, you could see that one is off. So if we check the second one and validate the invoice as well, validate invoice, we are good. So let's go back and verify if the customer's account has captured rightfully. So go to reports, we'll go to receivables and payables, then list of creditors. You could see Zaychem. You could see now we need to pay this person ₦1 million. So you see it has been captured. So now let's go ahead and try to make payments to our vendor.